if we run away? What if we left today? What if we said goodbye to safe and sound? What if we...
Hi, my name is Idania Leon, and I'm your sophomore secretary.
And I am Stephanie Nojosa, and I am a publicity commissioner.
And this is ASB Weekly.
Hello, Jaguars. Get involved and join a club at the Copland's annual club fair. The club fair will be doing lunch in the gym on Thursday, September 22nd. Hope to see you there.
Bible Club is inviting everyone to their meetings every Friday in the mornings from 7 a.m. through 7:30 a.m. and during lunch. Everyone is welcome to come in the morning or during lunch. It will be held in Miss Clark's room number 240. We hope to see you all there.
Okay. Fashion Club will be Mondays from 3:45 to 4:30, room 256 in Miss Alcala's room. This club will host a clothing drive and a runway show. They will also create makeup tutorials and will also learn more about the fashion industry. So go join. Jaguars, there will be a new club on campus, Spanish Club. Spanish Club will enrich knowledge of culture on campus and encourage students to take an active role in the community. It will be held in Ms. Ponce's room 251, Tuesdays during lunch and once a month, Fridays after school.
Attention Jaguars, stop and think for a second. Do you know someone in an unhealthy relationship? Well, don't let that ever be you. Come to Mr. Raj's room this coming Monday at 3:30 for a class taught by a special guest speaker on gender and relationship rights. We will talk about healthy and unhealthy aspects of relationships, communication skills, and what your rights are as a man or a woman. Stay healthy and happy. See you Monday at 3:30 p.m.
That's all for this week, Jaguars.
And this has been ASB Weekly.